I think you can see the moon right there, and of course, you know, I'm getting that good sunlight right. But I got a Bev. Stop playing. No Patrick Bev. But listen, we doing something. Doing something. Hold on. Let me. We gotta get the plate. We got rib tips. I threw some Cajun in on the fries. I said, give me some yum yum sauce. Listen, I checked my stats today. Only thing I got a fork in the bag. I ain't about to hype it up. That I cannot do. I ain't about to hype it up at all. No sir. It's alright though. It ain't tenderism. A little still. It's definitely alright. Let me get this some yum yum sauce open. I might have put too much Cajun on these fries. Let's dip them in the sauce. You can't mess up the yum yum sauce though. And this one, yeah, this just mayonnaise and ketchup. Nothing too crazy. So outside of that, I think we're gonna do. I'm gonna do season 17. Season 19. 3 things. Well, 3 main things. So this is the intro. This is the intro for season 19. Let me see. How we gonna do this? Wasting time. We got a Zippo. We gotta do a Zippo. Now, I was looking for my Zippo, my custom Zippo. Couldn't find it. Then I had the burgundy jank. Then I was just using the silver jank, but I ain't never. It's just a real simple. All black. Real simple, nothing too crazy. But I said, listen, if I get this, congratulations. I said, if I get this, can you know what I'm saying? Because when you get the junk, it ain't gonna be able to work. So it's just a nice matte black. I can't even hold you on that, bro. It's a nice matte black. So this is the start of season 19. Now I'm gonna make a new playlist, but I ain't gonna have a whole bunch of filler episodes. I'm gonna make a playlist, but I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of filler episodes. There will be filler episodes, but it won't be in the playlist. You know what I'm saying? So, what number is this? Okay. Season 19, got a couple of things. Hold on. Yeah, all right, way to do it the right way. Welcome to the graffiti jungle. Paulo Lingue. Benvenuti nella giungla di graffiti. Questo è Impostore Rockstar. It's the fake Rockstar chat show. Pensieri Tangentiali, Formino Tangential chat show. Shout out to my co-host, Doggy Heaven Bailey. Podcast with Cigar Talk Podcast. Questo è soggetto 285. This is subject 285. You see 286, 287, 288. So, main things for season. What season? Oh, season 19. Stagiano, man. Stagione, 19. Season 19. Stagione, 19. The intro was a Zippo unboxing. We gotta do some fashion. So that means we're gonna do some merch that I designed. I gotta be my own designer, stylist, model, photographer, videographer, upload the pictures to the website, all that. Anyway, we got a piece of merch, and bro, I'm gonna have to get my. I'm about to lock in with bro. I say lock in, I might mean that literally. And get some little double strand twist. Anyway, season 19. The intro is this right here. We had the Zippo unboxing. We're gonna get the hair done. And the merch. How many episodes is that? Hair done, merch, got the Zippo. The only thing I want to do is, bro, we got the Zippo. Only thing else I want to do, that little music video or something like that. But that's just gonna come. That's just filler. That's just actually that's just gonna be a part of. Those keep the main thing. The main thing. Oh yeah, I checked my stats today. 5'10". I got a physical. 5'10". 172 pounds. Big dog.